Now I'm going to actually add these fractions. What I need to do is create that common denominator. What I'm missing in the bottom of the second ratio is a factor of 4x. In order to create an equivalent ratio, I need to multiply the numerator and denominator by that term. So I'm going to get 20x in the numerator of that term when I multiply it by 4x. My denominator will now become 2x times 4x, and the original ratio has not changed on the left. Now I'm allowed to add because my denominators are the same. So the next step is to bring together as one ratio. So I'm going to have 3x plus 20x linked together with this sign from the middle. Last step is to simplify what remains on top. So this gives me 23x all over 2x times 4x. We will leave everything in factored form for these problems. Okay. Example 2, we're going to be missing, we are missing an x plus 4. So I need to do that top and bottom, x plus 4. That's going to give me, when I distribute, 7x squared plus 28x in the numerator. My denominator is just going to be written down in its factored form of x minus 2 plus x times x plus 4. I now have my original ratio from the left that I have not changed, and I can see that my denominators are now common. So now I've got a problem where I need to subtract the ratios. I'm going to bring everything together into one ratio, copying down my numerator of 6x plus 5 and linking that together with the numerator of 7x squared plus 28x with that subtraction sign. Also recall, when we have subtraction in front of any parentheses, or we're subtracting a set of terms, we need to make sure we distribute that through. So now my numerator will become 6x plus 5 minus 7x squared minus 28x, all over x plus 4 times x minus 2. My last step is to put all my terms, my like terms, together. And we should consider putting this into standard form. So standard form will tell me to put my x squared first, highest exponent first. I don't have any others like that, so I'm going to write my answer as negative 7x squared. Next common term would be, or next in line for standard form would be 6x. That's common with, it's a like term with a negative 28x. So 6x minus 28x should give me a negative 22x. And then my last term is 5, and that does not have any like terms. So I would put plus 5. And my denominator, remember, does not change, giving me my final answer of negative 7x squared minus 22x plus 5 over x plus 4 times x minus 2.